I am joyfully welcoming new life into my body. I am grateful that the beautiful journey of motherhood is beginning for me. I am open to the miracle of conceiving a healthy baby. My body is welcoming new life with love and trust. I feel peaceful as I imagine new life beginning within me. I am deeply grateful for the beautiful possibility of becoming a mother. I see myself discovering that I am pregnant, and my heart fills with joy. I look at the positive pregnancy test and feel overwhelming gratitude. I smile with happiness as I realize that my baby is on the way. I gently place my hands on my belly and feel connected to my baby. I am filled with love for the precious life beginning inside me. My heart is already deeply connected to my baby. I lovingly imagine the beautiful baby who is becoming part of my life. I feel safe, supported, peaceful, and hopeful throughout this new beginning. I welcome this new chapter of my life with an open heart. I am grateful for every moment of this beautiful journey. I envision myself becoming the loving mother I have always wanted to be. I feel a beautiful bond forming between my baby and me. I speak lovingly to my baby and imagine my baby hearing my voice. I fill my thoughts with love, gratitude, peace, and beautiful possibilities. I'm creating a loving emotional environment for my precious baby. I feel joyful, knowing that my family is growing. I am surrounded by love and encouragement as I begin this journey. I trust myself to take this journey one beautiful day at a time. I am grateful for the precious life I am welcoming. I see myself holding my future baby and feel profound love. I am becoming a mother, and my heart is overflowing with gratitude. I am experiencing a peaceful and beautiful pregnancy. My baby is growing and developing beautifully. I feel deeply connected to my baby as each day passes. I lovingly place my hands on my growing belly. I feel grateful for every moment I share with my baby before birth. I imagine my baby's tiny heart beating strongly and steadily. I picture my baby growing stronger every day. I feel peaceful knowing that my baby is surrounded by love. I speak lovingly to my baby every day. My baby feels my love, warmth, and tenderness. I am filled with excitement as my belly continues to grow. I celebrate every stage of my pregnancy with gratitude. I feel my baby's first tiny movements, and my heart fills with joy. I smile every time I feel my baby move. I imagine my baby stretching, moving, and growing inside me. I am creating beautiful memories of this precious pregnancy. I see myself preparing a beautiful, warm, loving nursery for my baby. I lovingly choose tiny clothes, blankets, and beautiful things for my baby. I imagine holding my baby close after birth. I picture my baby's beautiful face and feel overwhelming love. I imagine looking into my baby's eyes for the first time. I feel increasingly excited as the day of my baby's arrival approaches. I am surrounded by people who support and encourage me. I allow myself to experience hope, joy, excitement, and gratitude. I trust myself to move through each stage of pregnancy with love and patience. I am grateful for every day that brings me closer to meeting my baby. I lovingly look forward to the moment when I finally hold my baby. I welcome the moment when my baby arrives. I see myself meeting my baby for the very first time. I hear my baby's first cry and feel overwhelming joy. I hold my healthy newborn baby in my arms. I look into my baby's eyes and feel an indescribable wave of love. I gently kiss my baby's forehead. I feel my baby's tiny body resting safely against me. I hold my baby close to my heart. I'm filled with gratitude as I finally meet my precious child. I see my beautiful baby sleeping peacefully in my arms. I hear my baby's little sounds and smile with happiness. I marvel at my baby's tiny fingers and toes. I gently hold my baby's little hand. I feel the warmth of my baby's body against mine. I breathe in the beautiful scent of my newborn baby. I look at my baby and realize that this moment is real. I'm grateful for the incredible experience of becoming a mother. I lovingly welcome my baby into the world. My baby is surrounded by love from the very first moment. I create a peaceful, loving environment for my newborn. I feel deeply bonded with my baby. I lovingly comfort my baby whenever my baby needs me. I learn my baby's unique expressions, sounds, and needs. I cherish every moment of those first precious days together. I look at my baby sleeping and feel profound gratitude. I feel blessed to begin this lifelong relationship with my child. I'm grateful beyond words to hold my beautiful baby in my arms. I am joyfully welcoming new life into my body. I am grateful that the beautiful journey of motherhood is beginning for me.
I lovingly care for my baby every day. My baby grows beautifully, happily, and lovingly. I cherish every smile my baby gives me. I treasure every laugh, giggle, and little sound. I love watching my baby's personality emerge. I discover something new and beautiful about my baby every day. I enjoy cuddling my baby close to my heart. I smile when my baby recognizes my voice. I feel immense joy when my baby reaches for me. I celebrate my baby's first smile. I celebrate my baby's first laugh. I celebrate my baby's first word. I celebrate my baby's first steps. I cheer with happiness as my baby learns new things. I watch my baby explore the world with curiosity. My baby grows into a happy, confident, loving little child. I create a home filled with warmth, laughter, security, and love. My baby knows that I am always there with love and support. I give my child encouragement, affection, patience, and understanding. I enjoy reading stories to my baby. I love singing to my baby and hearing my baby respond. I treasure quiet moments when my baby falls asleep in my arms. I create countless beautiful memories with my child. I watch my baby's unique talents and personality blossom. I feel proud of every new milestone my baby reaches. I am grateful for every morning I wake up beside my precious child. I cherish
every precious moment of my child's early years. I watch my child grow into a healthy, happy, confident person. My child explores the world with curiosity and excitement. My child loves learning new things. My child develops intelligence, wisdom, creativity, and confidence. I encourage my child's dreams and unique talents. I am present for my child's important milestones. I celebrate my child's achievements with pride. I support my child when things are difficult. My child knows that my love is unconditional. My child feels safe being completely authentic. I watch my child make wonderful friendships. My child is surrounded by kind and supportive people. I hear my child's laughter filling our home. I enjoy meaningful conversations with my growing child. I watch my child's personality become stronger and more beautiful. My child develops independence while always knowing that I am here. I teach my child kindness, compassion, courage, and self-respect. My child learns from experiences and grows wiser every day. I watch my child discover passions and interests. I encourage my child to believe in their own abilities. I celebrate every birthday with gratitude and joy. I take pride in the beautiful person my child is becoming. My child develops confidence while remaining kind and compassionate. I'm grateful for the beautiful relationship between my child and me. My child knows they are deeply loved, valued, and appreciated. I treasure our family traditions and shared memories. I am grateful to witness every stage of my child's beautiful journey. I watch my child grow into a healthy and confident young adult. My child develops wisdom, emotional strength, and self-awareness. My child knows their worth and respects themselves. My child confidently makes healthy and loving choices. My child discovers their unique purpose and passions. My child pursues meaningful dreams with courage. My child develops beautiful friendships and loving relationships. My child is surrounded by people who genuinely appreciate and respect them. I watch my child become increasingly independent. I am proud of the person my child has become. My child creates a beautiful and fulfilling life. My child develops a successful and meaningful career. My child uses their talents to make a positive difference in the world. My child experiences love, friendship, laughter, adventure, and fulfillment. My child creates a loving and peaceful home of their own. I watch my child build a beautiful future. I celebrate my child's accomplishments with immense pride. I remain a loving source of wisdom and encouragement throughout my child's life. My child always knows that they can come to me with anything. Our relationship continues to deepen as my child grows older. We share laughter, conversations, celebrations, and beautiful memories. I enjoy seeing the wonderful adult my child has become. I look into my grown child's eyes and recognize the beautiful baby I once held. I feel immense gratitude for every stage of our journey together. My child grows into a healthy, happy, loving, confident, and fulfilled adult. I look back on the journey from pregnancy to adulthood with a heart overflowing with love and gratitude.